This a the style, this a the style, gyal. This a the style, this me use and take for your man all the while. This a the style.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I was going to say challenge. Mom in the background. I don't know why. But anyways, welcome back to my channel, guys. So I am, as you could tell by the title, we are attempting to do this 100-piece nugget challenge. And according to my cousin, she said if this is the way we're gonna go out, this is the way we're gonna go out. So let's get this challenge started. Come some more. I'm gonna come up some more now, so yeah. We ain't doing this. This is gonna be a fail.
Speak for yourself.
Huh?
Speak for yourself.
It's gonna be a fail. I'm off for that right there. Mind you guys, I haven't eaten nothing all day. I'm gonna go sleep. I'm gonna eat nothing all day. And it's 3 o'clock right now. You eat today?
I was prepared.
So you're gonna do 100? You're gonna do 50? Alright, we'll see. I'm not gonna do my eat the fried dumpling on the road. That's all my fried dumpling. It's already 8 minutes. We ain't doing this. The ranch and the barbecue one tastes good today. Drop the honey mustard and the barbecue. There's 20 pieces in a box, and I probably ate probably 4 or 5 so far. 1 box down, that's 20 gone. Somebody look. This is torture. Who came up with this challenge?
Don't fear. We're not gonna live love enough to find out.
Got it now, Miss Overdone enough? The protector.
I'll probably go up straight after that.
Who the hell covered this child? I'm tired already. I'm really full. I'm about to put a charger right now live. I'm going to do the other one. The spicy noodle one.
Everything is stuck right there, so. Which other one?
The spicy noodle one.
Oh.
Look at that. There's no fear. 2 nuggets stuck per one.
finished 28?
That's about it. Yeah, $20. Hold on, I'll put my pants. Maybe put my pants or we go down more. Whew.
Five minutes.
Listen, I already knew this was gonna be a fail, alright? One full box of rice right now and one full box of stuff. And you want done one box already? I thought you said this was gonna be easy.
Looks like the season.
Huh?
Looks like the season.
She said she welcome prepared because she said she want to eat the 100 nuggets and look. She did. Understand? We there were some people, you know, and she there about her nuggets and she cussing people and say, where you about the nuggets for? Eat the whole thing, put everything in your mouth and look there. This yeah? I charge her. I guess Jay, I wake up if it hear my mother in the background. How much minutes there?
3.
I'm trying to do this. I can't do this. Yeah, Jay, help mommy, yeah? I can't do this.
I got somewhere.
You see, you see, I know this cousin. I find that one there. I go there. I look at me see a couple when I like.
Make sure mine black.
I don't. One time I go out, can't no more. I just put on my 20 bucks.
But you brought me into this.
I'm not putting back to left. Made 17. Made 17, I can't go no more. I go them. Remember try to look up. I technically eat 16 because I get the one. I'm trying to look for that hurt me. Keep going, keep going. Go mama, go mama, go mama. Everything tap right there, sir. Oh, excuse me. Oh, better appetite open up again.
I just fed him an hour ago. I fed him 1 hour ago. Yeah.
You tap right there, right? I'm here at home.
So I'm have to drink your drinks and you. I think good on it.
There's some bad Sprite, because Sprite make a bounce.
But then soda fill you up more.
That's how I'm better probably food too. We done 40 nuggets so far. 22 bucks done. Yeah, go on here, my friend. Go on here, my cuz. Push you.
It's 30
I would say I
seconds.
can't eat. And them something I
Y'all
love
made up
to
the
eat.
story.
And them something I like to eat. She don't want to eat cooked food. But when it comes to fast food, watch her. How much seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. And there you have it.
Alright,
We have 19 left in this box. How much you leaving at the box there? How much you eat out of it?
like 2 or 3.
2. So 18 out of the box. So 19 and 18. How much that? There you go. Score on me.
37.
Oh, so not bad. I'm not eat bad then. Sure, I can't box. 2.5 looking at the box, yeah. So how much? 39 and a half. So we have 39 and a half nugget sleeve. People, me can't.
You ain't even try.
Me did. Some
you
people do
didn't.
them challenge here and then go through the whole thing. Some people do it, then go through one box. So I'm proud of myself. I don't go through one box, I know. But anyways, that is the end of this challenge. Come check me back with another challenge. We do have another one coming up, which is gonna be a spicy noodle challenge. I'm just waiting for all this corona stuff to go away. So Amazon will be able to start shipping again, so we could order it online. So yeah, but I think we're gonna do a seafood mukbang. Right, that's what I said we're gonna do, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna do a seafood mukbang and that. Well, I'm gonna try and do a lot of challenges over here. So catch me in my next video. Deuces.